this red liquid coming from my paw?
It's called blood, hero!
Do I need it?
Yes! And if you want to keep it inside your body where it belongs, you just stop jumping off trucks doing 80 on the interstate!
Yeah, usually I'm a tad more indestructible. Must be in the, oh, that styrofoam! That stuff! You weakens me!
Aha!
What are you doing? Put it down!
Alright, that's it! I had enough! I'm trying to cage. I'll seriously lose you! I'll seriously lose you with a styrofoam!
Oh, you mad? You know the power styrofoam!
Oh, you bet I'm mad, baby! And I'm going to unleash it! The power of the styrofoam!
No! Okay, alright! Okay, you win. I'll untie you. Huh. That's where place to put piano.
Huh?
Hiya! Are we gonna have any more problems, Cat?
No more problems. I'll take you to Penny.
Ah! What is that?
What?
That! Okay, so you have 2 seconds to tell me what you've been planning to be, Cat. Poison? A parasite? Poison? No, I already said that, didn't I? See him all this a cup up with. I can't think straight. No.
I don't believe this. You're hungry.
Where is the antidote?
Alright. I'll show you. There's your antidote. Food. Go on, use the dog. This is gonna be beautiful. You know, bag. Do the dog face.
What? The dog face? What does that mean?
There's the time the one on earth to know how to beg. Okay, if you want the antidote, you're gonna have to do exactly what I say.
Not likely. You're the creature of darkness.
Yeah, granted. With that said, all else you do is just tilt your hurl. You can do that, can't you? Come on. More.
This is stupid.
No, hold on this, please. You're almost there.
Ah, boy.
Okay, try the other way. There you go. Tilt up and down. Now a little smile. There's a smile. Drop your left ear. Your other left. Okay, the one is right now. Drop them both. Hold it right there. And ever so slightly look up.